Mastering Makeup Jargon. Cut Crease Look, explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of makeup terminology. Specifically, we'll uncover the meaning behind the cut crease look in makeup. Whether you're a makeup enthusiast or just curious about this term, this video will clarify everything for you. The term cut crease refers to a makeup technique that defines the crease of the eyelid by cutting across it with a contrasting eyeshadow color, usually in a sharp line. This technique creates a sharp contrast between the upper part of the eyelid and the crease. It's popular for its ability to add depth and dimension to the eyes, making them appear larger and more striking. The cut crease look isn't new. It has roots in the 1960s, where it was popularized by celebrities like Twiggy. Originally, it was used to create a dramatic, bold eye look. Over time, it has evolved, and today, makeup artists and enthusiasts use this technique in both subtle and bold ways. There are several variations of the cut crease. 1. Classic cut crease, a sharp, defined line that clearly separates the lid from the crease. 2. Soft cut crease, a more blended approach, offering a subtler version. 3. Glitter cut crease, incorporating glitter or shimmer along the cut crease line for added drama. Creating a cut crease requires patience and practice. Here are the basic steps. 1. Prime the eyelid. Apply an eyeshadow primer. 2. Apply a transition color. Choose a matte eyeshadow slightly darker than your skin tone. 3. Create the crease. With a darker shade, draw a line along the crease, then blend upward. 4. Cut the crease. Apply a concealer on the lower part of the lid, then set it with a light or shimmer eyeshadow. 5. Define and finish. Use eyeliner and mascara to define the eyes. The cut crease look is a versatile and impactful makeup technique that can enhance your eye makeup significantly. Whether you go for a bold or a subtle look, mastering the cut crease can add a professional touch to your makeup skills. We hope this video helps you understand and experiment with this popular makeup trend. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice and have fun with your makeup.